going to explain question number second from exercise 2.2. The question second is find the HCF and LCM of following pairs of integers and verify that HCF multiplied by LCM is equal to product of integers. So students, in this question first we have to find out the HCF and LCM of both the numbers. After finding the HCF and LCM of both the numbers, in this we have to put the values and we have to verify whether they both are equal or not. So first conclusion is we have to find out the HCF and LCM, that we are going to find out by the prime factorization method. So I am writing here 96. I am going to factorize it. So 96 by 2 I am just dividing. 2 4s are, then 2 8s are, then again 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Then 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, then 2 6, 2 3s are, then 3 1s are. Now here 404 also we are going to prime factorize separately. So by 2 I am dividing. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, then 2 1s are, 2 1s are, then 101, because 101 is a prime number, it's not divisible. So what we obtained is 96 prime factors are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. How many times 2 are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So 4, 5 times, then 3. Then 101, 2 multiplied by 2, then multiplied by 101. So first we make the pairs of like factors. So when we make the pairs of like factors, this is in the one pair and this will come in the second pair. So for highest common factor, for all these ellipses, means all these ovals, only one number will come out. So the highest common factor is 4. Now for LCM, the process is from these two pairs only one number will come out and the remaining all numbers will attach here. That's why 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 101. Now what I said here is HCF only from the common pair numbers used to come out, remaining which are not common not used to attach here, but in LCM from the common pair only one number used to come out and remaining all numbers which are not coming in the pair, they all will attach here at back. Now when we multiply it, we will get here 2 to the 4, then 2 into 2 into 2 is 8 and 3 multiplied by 101. Now when we multiply it, it's going to be 4 8s are 32 and 101 multiplied by 3 is 303. So when we multiply them, here we have to multiply, so in roughly I am just multiplying here 303 multiplied by 32. So first by 2, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, then by 3, 3 3s are 9, then 3 3s are 9. So answer will come 6969. So when we multiply, we will get here 9696. Now students, we have to satisfy, because I got the HCF and I got the LCM. So after getting HCF and LCM, what we have to prove? We have to prove this relation. So we have to now write down here, which implies HCF multiplied by LCM is equal to 4 multiplied by 9696 is equal to. Now this we have to multiply by 4 because we need to multiply the HCF and LCM. So 4 6 are 24, 2 remains, 9 4 are 36, 36 and 2 38, 3 remains, 6 24 and 3 2 remains. So we got 38,780. 38,780. Now and product of integers. So we write down here and product of integers is equal to, so what are the integers here? 96 multiplied integers which are given in the question, that is 96 into 404. So students, roughly I have already multiplied here. 404 multiplied by 96 will give us 38,784. So that also we write here 38,784. So we obtained that HCF and LCM product is same with the product of the integer. So we write down, which implies, it got wrong here, I will see here, that is HCF multiplied by LCM is equal to product of integers. So its the result is verified, so we will write down finally here, hence verified. That's it. So now briefly we will understand again what we have done here. So here I had done first prime factorization of both the numbers. After doing prime factorization, I adjusted from lower to bigger number. Then whatever be the common, I just see here 2 and 2 is same, so make a ellipse here. Again 2 and 2 is same, so make a oval shape here. Now for both the oval shape, only one number will come out. That is your highest common factor. Now in LCM, from both the ovals, one number will come out, and remaining all you have to attach at back. Multiply them, that will give you HCF and LCM. Now after obtaining the HCF LCM, we have to verify this result. That's why HCF multiplied by LCM. First we write down here HCF multiplied by LCM, and we'll write here the result which we obtained here. That will give us 38,784. Then product of integers means whatever integers are available. Now what are the integers available to us? 96 and 404. That you just write here. Multiply them. Now we found that HCF LCM product is same with the product of the integers. That only we have to require to prove. So like this we have proved it. Now in question number 2, there are 2 more parts. So you can try both the parts in the same way. I hope you will able to verify them. If you have any problem, you can write in comments so that I can explain it. Thank you.